Minasan, yokoso. Hi everybody, welcome to Edupedia World. So in this video we will be learning lesson number 5. Okay. So far we have completed 4 lessons. Just like the other lessons, in this lesson also we will be going through vocabularies, idioms, grammars, conversations, exercises. Okay, so let's get started with tango, which means vocabulary. The first column will have the Japanese words, the second column will have the transliterated words in English, third one will give the English meaning of this Japanese words. So the first word is kyo. Please pay attention to the pronunciation. Kyo meaning today. Kyo, today. The next word is gatsu. Gatsu meaning suffix added to the number of months. As it is a suffix, I have denoted maru before the kanji gatsu. So it is a suffix added to the number of months. The next word is nichi. It is again a suffix added to the number of days. Gatsu is for months and nichi is for days. So nichi is suffix added to the number of days. Onna no ko meaning girl. Onna means girl, ko means child. No is the connecting particle. So in the literal sense, onna no ko meaning girl, child. So this becomes more easy to remember. Onna no ko meaning girl, child. The next word is ko, child. The next word is he, meaning day. You may ask why the same kanji is used here for nichi, which means suffix added to the number of days, and the same kanji for he, which means day. Well, for suffix it takes the pronunciation nichi or it takes the reading as nichi, but when it is not treated as a suffix it becomes he, meaning day. Clear? The next word is itsu. Though it is written as itsu, it should be pronounced as itsu, meaning when. Itsu, when. The next word is yobi. Yobi meaning day of the week. Day of the week. The next word is yasumi. Yasumi meaning holiday. Holiday. The next word is kodomo. Kodomo meaning child. Child. Ko also means child. The next word is otoko no ko. So just like onna no ko, the opposite of onna no ko is otoko no ko. Otoko means boy, ko means child, no is the connecting particle. So otoko no ko meaning boy, child. The next word is tanjobi. Tanjobi, birthday. Birthday. The next word is ashita. Ashita. It is written as ashita but pronounced as ashita. I becomes silent here, which means tomorrow. Tomorrow. The next word is nen. It means year, or you can also call it as the suffix added to the number of years. The last word is zannen. Zannen meaning pity or shame. Pity or shame. Now let's have a short recap of all the words. The first word is kyo. Kyo, today. Today. Gatsu, suffix added to the number of months. Gatsu, suffix added to the number of months. Nichi or B, it can also be read as B, suffix added to the number of days. Onna no ko meaning girl, child. Onna no ko meaning girl, child. Ko means child. He meaning day. He meaning day. The next word is itsu meaning when. Itsu, when. Yobi, days of the week. Yobi, days of the week. Example, nichiobi meaning Sunday. The next word is yasumi, holiday. Yasumi, holiday. Kodomo meaning child. Kodomo means child. otoko no ko. Opposite of onna no ko is otoko no ko, meaning boy child. Tanjobi, tanjobi, birthday, birthday. Ashta, ashta, tomorrow, tomorrow. Nen, suffix added to the number of years. The last word is zannen, meaning pity or shame. Zannen, pity or shame. Clear? The next session is hatten. So for this lesson we will be learning the days of the week in Japanese and the dates of the months. Okay, so we have already learnt the days of the week in our previous classes, but anyway we'll have a recap of those. Sunday meaning Nichiyobi, Monday is Getsuyobi, Tuesday is Kayobi, Wednesday is Suiyobi, Thursday is Mokuyobi, Friday is Kinyobi. It is actually Kinyobi, though it is written as Kinyobi. The Saturday is Doyobi. Okay, so Nichiyobi, Getsuyobi, Kayobi, Suiyobi, Mokuyobi, Kinyobi and Doyobi. So the first of month is called Tsuitachi or Ichinichi. You can either use Tsuitachi or Ichinichi. Tsuitachi is more commonly used in Japan. So Tsuitachi. The second day of the month is called Futsuka. Futsuka. And the third day of the month is called Mikka. Mikka. Fourth is called Yokka. Yokka. And fifth is called Itsuka. Itsuka. Sixth is Muika. Muika. Seventh is Nanoka. Nanoka. Eighth is Yoka. Yoka. Ninth is Kokonoka. Kokonoka. 10th is Tooka. Tooka. Okay, let's repeat one more time from 1 to 10. So 1 is Tsuitachi or Ichinichi, Futsuka, Mikka, Yokka, Itsuka, Muika, Nanoka, Yoka, Kokonoka and Tooka. Okay, from 11 it's going to be little easy. So 11 is Ju Ichinichi. So Ichi, the first day of the month is Ichinichi, right? So you just add Ju to it. So Ju Ichinichi, 10 plus 1. Ju is the number, Japanese reading for number 10 is Ju, right? So 10 plus 1 becomes 11. So Ju plus Ichinichi gives Ju Ichinichi. Okay, and the same goes on for other numbers as well. 12. Ju plus Ninichi becomes Ju Ninichi. Okay, for 13 it is Ju San Nichi. 10 plus 3, Ju San Nichi. 14th is Ju Yokka. Ju Yokka. This is an exception here. Ju Yokka. 15th is Ju Go Nichi. It's not Ju Itsuka, it's Ju Go Nichi. 16th is Ju Rokunichi. 17th is Ju Shichinichi. It is not Ju Nana Nichi, it is always Ju Shichinichi. 18th is Ju Hachinichi. Ju Hachinichi. 19th is Ju Kunichi. Ju Kunichi. And 20th is an exception, that is Hatsuka. Hatsuka. Okay, let's repeat one more time from 11 till 12. Ju Ichinichi, Ju Ni Nichi, Ju San Nichi, Ju Yokka, Ju Go Nichi, Ju Rokunichi, Ju Shichinichi, Ju Hachinichi, Ju Kunichi, Hatsuka. Okay, and from 21 the same formula applies here as well. 21 is 20 plus 1. So 20 in Japanese is Niju. plus 1. 1 is ichi-nichi. So 21 is niju ichi-nichi. 20 plus 1. Niju plus ichi-nichi is niju ichi-nichi. 22 is niju ni-nichi. 23 is niju san-nichi. And 24 is an exception just like 14. It is niju yokka. 25 is niju go-nichi. 26 is niju roku-nichi. 27 is niju shichi-nichi. 28 is niju hachi-nichi. 29 is niju ku-nichi. 30 is sanju-nichi. 31, 30 plus 1, sanju plus ichi-nichi becomes sanju ichi-nichi. Clear? Let's repeat one more time from 21 till 31. Niju ichi-nichi, niju ni-nichi, niju san-nichi, niju yokka, niju go-nichi, niju roku-nichi, niju shichi-nichi, niju hachi-nichi, niju ku-nichi, sanju-nichi, sanju ichi-nichi. Okay, now let's have a recap of all the days of the month. Okay, Tsuitachi or ichi-nichi, Futsuka, Mikka, Yokka, Itsuka, Muika, Nanoka, Yoka, Kokonoka, Towoka. Always remember that 4 is called Yokka and 8 is called Yoka. Okay, and 11th is Ju ichi-nichi, Ju ni-nichi, Ju san-nichi, Ju yokka, Ju go-nichi, Ju roku-nichi, Ju shichi-nichi, Ju hachi-nichi, Ju ko-nichi, Hatsuka. Niju ichi-nichi, Niju ni-nichi, Niju san-nichi, Niju yokka, Niju go-nichi, Niju roku-nichi, Niju shichi-nichi, Niju hachi-nichi, Niju ku-nichi, sanju-nichi, sanju ichi-nichi. Okay, clear? The next part or the next session of Hatten is Yasumi or holiday, otherwise vacation. Okay, so in Japan from July till September it is summer vacation. From December till January it is winter vacation. From March till April it is spring vacation. So summer vacation is called Natsu Yasumi in Japanese. Yasumi means holiday or vacation. Natsu means summer. So summer vacation is called Natsu Yasumi. Winter vacation is called Fuyu Yasumi. Yasumi is vacation, Fuyu means winter. So winter vacation is called Fuyu Yasumi. And spring vacation is called Haru Yasumi. Haru means spring, Yasumi means vacation. So Natsu Yasumi happens from the month of July till September. Winter vacation from December till January. Spring vacation from March till April. Summer vacation is called Natsu Yasumi. Winter vacation is called Fuyu Yasumi. Spring vacation is called Haru Yasumi. So the next part of Hatten is learning 100 series. So we'll be learning 100 series. Hyaku. Hyaku means 100. So 200 means ni hyaku. Then Japanese reading for number 2 is ni. So ni plus 2 plus 100 it becomes 200. Okay. So ni plus hyaku becomes ni hyaku. That's how it is. So 300. Imagine it as 3 plus 100 becomes 300. So sam plus 100 becomes sambyaku. It is not sanhyaku. It is sambyaku. Okay. 400 is yonhyaku. Yonhyaku. 500 is gohyaku. Gohyaku. 600 is ropyaku. Ropyaku. 700 is nanahyaku. Nanahyaku. 800 is hapyaku. Hapyaku. 900 is kyuhyaku. Kyuhyaku. Let's repeat. 100 is hyaku. 200 is nihyaku. 300 is sambyaku. 400 is yonhyaku. 500 is gohyaku. 600 is ropyaku. 700 is 700, 800 is 800, 900 is 900. Okay, clear? So that's it for now. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu.